my wonderful, wonderful people, and welcome back. Yesterday, I went to another different neighborhood. This time it was Sinchon. And the reason I went there was mostly for the cafe I took you to, which is on the 11th floor of the Uplex shopping center. And the view was fantastic. The cafe itself was really cute and I loved all the books. Sadly, the bookstore I filmed like for a few seconds closed quite soon after I arrived there because they had an event. So yeah, no real shopping there, but I still enjoyed my time up in the cafe. The neighborhood seemed kind of similar to any other of the neighborhoods close to a university. This one though is slightly more special than some of the other ones. They have a street that is called Yonsei Street, and they have a really big building which is called Yonsei Concert Center. Yonsei is one of the biggest and most prestigious universities here. So yeah, other than that, the neighborhood itself is kind of similar to most neighborhoods in close proximity to a university. You have a lot of stores that are more for younger people. You have a lot of young people walking around. You have a lot of cute cafes. Things like that. It's nothing out of the ordinary. It is a nice neighborhood and it was a lot of fun walking around there, and the cafe, as I said, was very cool. But it's also, yeah, you can find things like that anywhere here in Seoul. One thing I realized while walking around and looking on my map was that this neighborhood has an Aladdin used bookstore store. So I know I've shown something like this to you when I was here last time, at least I think I did, but I thought I should do it again and explain what it is. So when you Google Aladdin store or used bookstores, you will find quite a few places here in Seoul with this title, and they're all the same. So they're a chain. And they are similar to, in Japan, you will find the book offs. Now, as you can maybe already guess from the title, it's a used bookstore. So you can buy used books. Here you can find a lot of different things, from fiction to non-fiction, books for learning, anything you can think of. You can have a look and see if they have it, and it's priced sometimes half of the original price, sometimes more, because it's used books. Also, if you're new to Korean or you want to practice your Korean and you want to read children's books, you can find them here as well. So you can find beautiful children's books for less than when you go to a normal bookstore. Now, you don't only get books here. You can also buy used DVDs, and for all of my K-pop lovers, you can also buy used K-pop albums. A lot of the times the cards are missing, because the reason why you can buy used K-pop albums is because a lot of fans buy more than one album to get all of the cards in them, like the trading cards. Let's call them trading cards. So anyone who doesn't know K-pop, there's like trading cards in each album, and they're not stupid. It's not the same trading card in every album, but there's like a bunch of them, and if you want to have them all, you will have to buy all of the albums or multiple albums. Also, funnily enough, most of the times there's not only one kind of album, there's like 2 or 3 versions as well. So if you want to have everything, you will have to buy a lot of albums and a lot of people. are very, very smart, and they like change them, or they sell them and buy the ones that are missing. You know, it's similar to any other trading card. There are just no stats on them. I don't know. Maybe there are. Maybe there was like one K-pop group that did like real trading cards with stats on them. I don't know. If there are and you're a K-pop fan, please leave it down below. I would love to have a look at them, because that would be like so funny. And I'm pretty sure there is at least one band out there that would be perfect to have cards where you have some kind of stats or anything. But yes, so if you're into K-pop and you don't mind that the cards might be missing because you want to have the album and the photo books, which are always in them. So you will always get the photo books, you will always get the CD, those are in there. So you're good if you want to, if you're just into that and you don't mind not getting the photo cards. So yeah, you can get those as well. And sometimes, or as you've seen in the vlog maybe, there's also like a little bit of stationery and all the typical things you can think of that you can buy in any bookstore nowadays, because bookstores are no longer bookstores. They're like half bookstore and half stationery stores. Because a lot of times the stationery makes more sales than the books themselves. I can attest to that because I worked in bookshops before. And there were always a lot of sales when it came to stationery. But it's fine. And yeah, other than that, I had a wonderful day. I did a lot of shopping because I'm starting to do my shopping for everything I want to take back home. So it's not things I'm using right now, it's things that I want to stock up on, or things I know that I will want to use once I'm back home. So I'm doing that. I still have to buy myself a new suitcase, because on my flight back home I will have one more suitcase than I did during my whole trip. Because I can. And because I'm pretty sure with everything I want to buy and everything I will take home and with everything I bought already, all of these things won't fit into my big backpack. Because the backpack is just for traveling, not for like accumulating things, if you know what I mean. And also because I still have all of my technical things, I can't really use my carry-on luggage to be the luggage for all of the new things, because I'm pretty sure I can't fit all of the technical stuff into anything else. And I need a new suitcase anyway, so yeah, I will need to buy that. I already know which one I want, so I'm good. I will buy another Muji one like my carry-on, because I love my carry-on and it's really, really good, but I will just buy a bigger one. So from then on, I have a new, bigger suitcase when I do other traveling things. Yeah, and other than that, I will now spend the rest of my days probably hanging inside, doing a little bit of painting, doing a little bit of relaxing, something like that. I'm not quite sure. Maybe I will go out. The weather is okay, it's no longer typhoony. But yeah, we'll see. But I won't film it, so you will never know. I'm going to leave you now. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Please, 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 please subscribe. I will do more of these, and I already know that once I'm back home I will try to do vlogs like this, like showing off places and showing off like neighborhoods in Hamburg. So if you're interested in Germany, this might be interesting as well. And if you just want to see me and see me talk, it will probably happen more once I'm back home. So we will have more of the relaxing vlogs again, with me just chilling at home, cooking and things like that. I will also use the second camera then, because I did send that one home because I didn't want to travel with so many things. So right now we're only having this one, but once I'm back home, I can also use the other one again. I still have a few more weeks here, so I'll see you in the next one, still here in Korea. Until then, stay healthy. And I'm going to leave you now with a very lovely bye.